To the energy market, reeling from Harvey, the nation's largest fuel pipeline temporarily shutting down. These are two lines that deliver both diesel and jet fuel and gasoline, and it runs from Texas all the way up into New Jersey and even feeds gasoline into the New York City area. Other pipelines shut down as well. Price Futures Group's Flynn is at the CME. Phil, you saw this coming, knowing the flooding on the ground, knowing the lack of refined supply available to, say, the Colonial Pipeline. But it's not just the Colonial. There's another pipeline that runs up into the Explorer pipeline that runs up into Chicago as well. So do you think we're going to see gas lines?
I think it's a possibility, especially if we can't get these refineries back online. I mean, we're talking about 3 million barrels of refined product per day. That's not going to be easily replaced. And it doesn't look like these refiners in Beaumont, Texas are going to be coming back online anytime soon. And the problem is right now, there isn't a lot of damage to these pipelines. It is a situation where they just can't get product. They can't keep the pressure flows up, so you can't move the oil. So that's going to be a continuing problem until these refineries come back online. We don't know when that's going to happen. We still do not know. We know in Galveston, Texas, they're able to bring some refineries back online. That may ease some supply situations in the Midwest. But the East Coast is in big trouble right now. Now, we're looking to Europe to try to save the day. They're going to send every gallon of gas and jet fuel and diesel that they can send, but it's not going to get here for at least 10 days. It takes time to move that kind of gasoline. Other refiners are going to try to ramp up production. Now, the other thing you have today is gasoline. RBOB futures, they spiked over $2 a gallon. This contract expires today. It has to be delivered next week. And a lot of traders are wondering, is there going to be supply to be delivered against this contract? We're not hearing anything about that from the CME group right now, but that could be a possibility that there won't be gasoline to deliver, if not against this contract, then other contracts. So something else to watch today.
Thank you, Phil. Phil Flynn reporting from the CME for us. Phil, you've been all over this story, and you've seen these developments coming before they even happen. We thank you for that.